start selling teams for our full Mosaic Cello box. As always, good luck. Good luck, everyone. Let's pull you guys out fire. We've been on a hot streak lately. Past like 3 or 4 weeks, I've had nothing but fire. All right. All right, we got John Riggins, Joe Mixon, a green Dion Jones, and a Kurt Warner. Got a Curtis Martin, Trey Sermon, Will the Wind, Terry McLaurin, and a Levy. Austin Eckler, Michael Thomas, green TJ Hawkinson, and a Peyton Manning. Mika Fitzpatrick, John Elway, got game Deshaun Watson, and a Rondell Moore. Yeah, bro, they're unreal. We've been pulling some crazy stuff out. We're posting our highlight weekends, or our weekend highlights, excuse me, probably tomorrow. Kirk Cousins, Dan Marino, got a Ed Oliver Green, and a Mark Andrews. All right, boys, let's start heating up. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we got Jamal Adams, Keenan Allen, green, got game Brandon Ayuk, and a Kylan Hill. All right, we got Drew Brees, Quiddy Pay. We got a green Kenneth Gainwell and a Devontae Adams. Yeah. Laviska, Saquon Barkley, Josh Jacobs, and Anthony Schwartz. Dude, around the NFL, Saquon's trade value, is now a 4th round pick apparently. Like, I know he's been hurt past like 2 years, but damn, like one of the best running backs in the league to only 4th round pick. All right, blaster number two. If you just joined, we have we're doing 5 blasters right now. And then after, we're gonna do a full Mosaic Cello box. I got Drew Brees, Larry Fitz, a green Donald Driver, and a Julio Jones. Got Laviska Shenault Jr., Ben Roethlisberger, a silver, Chris Long, and a Justin Fields. There we go. Finally a little action here. Justin Fields came to play, only a base, but you know, we'll take it. And he hit it. Alright, we got Max Crosby, T. Law, there we go. Green Robbie Anderson, and a Jared Goff. Alright, we're starting to heat up a little bit now, boys. And we also, if you guys are into NBA, we have a 2021 Prism Fast Break going down Monday, and then a 2017 Prism Fast Break going down Wednesday. All right, we got Jerome Bettis, Dak Prescott, Darren Waller game, and a Micah Parsons. Nice. All right, we got Devontae Parker, Joe Montana, Ramondre Stevenson Green, and a Stephon Diggs. All right, Tyler Lockett, J.J. Watt, Dalvin Cook, and a Tutu Atwell. Stephon Gilmore, Derrick Henry, a green Quentin Nelson, and a Brandon Cooks. Last pack, then we got 3 blasters to go. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Kenneth Gainwell, Hall of Fame Dan Marino, and a Gary Brightwell. Alright, 3 blasters remaining. And then we're on to our cello box. Cape Codder, I love that. Magnet, you sir. You know the deal. You know the deal. Let's do it. Jamal Adams, Saquon Barkley, Silver Prism, Patty Mahomes, and a Julio Jones. Drew Brees, Tom Brady, Will the Win, Dalvin Cook, and another Justin Fields. Doubling up on the Fields for the Bears. Guys should have took that at the end when I said to. Guys been sleeping. Laviska, Drew Brees, a Green Von Miller, and a Jared Goff. Max Crosby, Baker Mayfield, Hall of Fame, Jerry Rice, and another Micah Parsons. Doubling up on the Micahs. Alright, Jerome Bettis, Devonta Smith. We got a Green Joe and a Stephon Diggs. Alright, Devontae Parker, Jared Goff, Godkin, Calvin Ridley, and a Tutu Atwell. Tyler Lockett, Patty Mahomes, Green, Sean Watson, and a Brandon Cooks. Got last pack in this blaster, then we got 2 left. Definitely been a little weak so far. Stephon Diggs, Larry Fitzgerald, Adam Thielen, and Gary Brightwell. We always heat up at the end, though. We're always heating up at the end. See what we can do. Let's see what we can do, boys. 2 blasters to go. Let's see what we can do, boys. Let's see what we can do. Let's go. Got 2 blasters to go. Just 1 cello. Yeah, 1 cello tonight. You guys have been killing us with products. Basically sold out. We got them, though. We're going to be doing half-case Mosaic Blasters next week. Alright, we got Dante Culpepper, DK Metcalf, a Silver Prism, Kyle Trask, and a Young-Ho Koo. Damn. Yeah, the cello's been hitting. We got Tom Brady, Marcus Allen, Kyler Murray, and a J.C. Horn. Alright, I got Reggie Bush, John Elway, Green Tua, and a Barry Sanders. Josh Allen, Travis Kelce, Joe Montana, and another T. Law for the Jags. Bang. Doubling up, I see. Yeah, since so far, it's not great so far. Jalen Hurts, Kadarius Toney, bang, there we go. That's what we needed. Yo, bro, we don't see Mac ever. Like, we actually don't. Like, it's nuts. Alright, we're starting to heat up a little bit. This last, second to last blaster. Yeah, Mac's a serious chase in these. Mac's a serious chase. Love that card. Yeah, it's a good looking card. Bobby Wagner, Aaron Jones, Big Bang, Jarvis Landry, and Rashad Bateman. Alright, we got Chase, Tom Brady, a Green, Rashad Bateman, and Andre Johnson. Last pack for this blaster, and we're on to our last blaster of this break. We got John Riggins, LaDainian Tomlinson, Big Bang, Josh Jacobs, and Chaz Surratt. last blaster mojo, boys. Let's do it. Pull something fire. Alright, let's go, boys. Let's do it. Last blaster in this break, and then we have a full Mosaic box. Robbie Anderson, Sean Alexander, Big Bang, Justin Jefferson, Green, and a Kylan Hill. Got a Quentin Nelson, Hunter Henry, a Silver Prism, Leonard Floyd, and a Sweet Feet, Walt Payton. Right, we got Baker Mayfield, A.J. Brown, Will Wynn, Dak Prescott, and Anthony Schwartz. Billy Sims, Blake Martinez, a Green, Keenan Allen, and Lamar. God damn. Got DJ Moore, Justin Herbert, Amari Cooper got game, and Amari Rogers. Packs left. Excuse me, 3 packs left. Let's pull something fire, boys. Let's pull something fire here. Carson Wentz, Daniel Hunter, Dax Milne, Zach Wilson, another Jet. We'll take it at this point. We'll take it. All right. 2 packs left, and then we're on to our next break, boys. Got a full Mosaic Cello Box Cup. Chad Johnson, Devin White. We got a Jalen Smith Silver and a Greg Newsome. Last pack mojo. Let's go. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Daniel Jones. We got Green, Deontay Johnson, and a Kyler Murray. Yeah, not the greatest of breaks, but we had a couple decent hits. So, all right. Time for our next